Hi guys! I'm alayzamaylao, your Davawenya gamer. Kung bago kayo sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo every time I upload. So for today's video, I will be unboxing Xiaomi Mi Note 10, guys. Unbox na natin siya. Let's go!
So this is the black knit package of Xiaomi Mi Note 10. It's the world first 108MP smartphone, comes with affordable price. And when you open it, you will see first the phone itself. So well, let's set aside the phone and review this one later. Next, we have here the SIM ejector tool. And inside, we have here the receipts and the user manual and also the user guide booklet. The power brick together with USB-C power cable. And the free transparent jelly case. So here's the look of Xiaomi Mi Note 10, guys. I choose black as always, it's my favorite color. And napansin nyo na nagbabubble na yung nakarap sa kanya since nagamit at naset up ko na talaga siya. So tatanggalin na lang natin siya slowly but surely. And kahit paulit-ulit natin siyang ina-unbox, napapawaw pa rin tayo since first impression ko talaga sa kanya ay very premium looking siya na phone. And the way ko siya hawakan, ang sarap ng grip ko sa kanya. And as you can see, napakakintab niya. And medyo mabigat nga lang siya kasi nga ang built-in niyang battery ay malaki, which is the 500 to 40 mAh battery capacity. And both side niya ay curved. For the display, may 6.47 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display. And it's made of glass, front and back, and Gorilla Glass 5 siya, guys. And on the right, nandito na lahat, the power and lock button, volume rocker, SIM card tray. Sa left, wala, super kinis niya lang. And on the top, meron siyang microphone and ear blaster. Below, may headphone jack and USB-C port, microphone, and speaker grill. And of course, sa front, may 32 megapixel front camera siya, guys. And sa likod, may mga text. And andyan din ang Xiaomi logo. And also the 108MP camera, which is 5 camera yan, guys.